Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Kung saan nalaro ko yung Five Nights at Freddy 2. Well, nalaro ko na yung 1. And yan, natapos ko siya hanggang Five Nights. And now yung Five Nights at Freddy 2, well, ang kalaban natin dito is mga toy and also withered. Well, nalaro ko na siya rin siya around 2015 or 16 na. Well, nalaro ko yung Sister Location 16 and now lalaroin ko ulit tong Five Nights at Freddy 2. My first ever horror game na nalaro ko in my entire life. Yeah, nung bata ko siya, ito yung horror game na una ko nalaro and yeah, nalaroin ko na siya. Ano pa hinihintay natin? So, it's the time to play this game! Wanted. Friend reopening. Vintage Pizzeria given new life. Can be a part of the new face of Freddy's Fazbear Pizzeria. 100,000. Ay, $100 per week. 150 per week. Nawala yung audio.
Some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company.
Press control.
That old
Use
restaurant
flashlight.
was
Okay,
kind of
control
left
to
rot
use
for quite a
flashlight.
while, but I want to reassure you, Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety.
Oh, men, kailangan mabilis
They've
yung kamay.
spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility. They even let them walk around during the day.
Dito si Puppet.
But most
Ayun,
importantly,
ito, wind up
they're all
music
tied
box.
into some kind of criminal database so they can detect a predator a mile away. Heck, we should be paying them to guard you. Now that being said, no new system is without it.
So I guess ito yung first night. I don't know kung sinong
You're only the second
makaharap
guard to
natin
work
dito
at
sa
that
first
location.
night na to.
The first guy
Yeah.
finished his week but complained about conditions. We switched him over to the day shift. So, hey, lucky you, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seem to move around at night and even attempted to get into his office. Now, from what we know, that should be impossible.
I hope di ko
That
ma-encounter
restaurant should be
si
the safest place on Earth.
Shadow
So,
Bunny
while
kasi dito siya
engineers don't really
mag-appear.
have an explanation
Si Shadow
for this,
Bunny guys, siya
the
yung
working theory
I
is
don't know,
that
parang
the robot
once na mag-appear siya
would
dito
never
sa
give it a
office, tapos
proper
nakita
night
natin
mode.
siya.
So, when it gets
Ewan ko kung
quiet,
nawawala
they
siya.
think
Nawawala
they're
siya, alam ko
all
eh. Pero
alone.
minsan
Then they go try to
maglalabas
find
yung
where the
game.
people are, and in this case, that's your office.
I think si William pa rin
So our
tong kausap
temporary
natin.
solution is this. There's a
Yeah.
music box
Still
over by
William.
the prize
William
counter,
after.
and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while,
So,
switch
1
over to
AM,
the
inabot na
prize
siya
counter
ng
video
isang
feed
oras
and wind it up
kakadaldal.
for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to
Huh?
affect all of the animatronics, but it
Oh,
does affect
parts and service. Ito sila, ito yung mga withered. Si Bunny, si Freddy.
And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor
Si
glitch in
Manggil,
the system, something about the robot saying he was an endoskeleton without his costume
Okay, wind up.
on,
Okay,
and wanting
maalis na,
to be
bababa
considered.
na agad yung
So hey,
music
we've
box.
given you an empty Freddy Fazbear head. Problem solved. You can put it on any time and leave it on for as long as you want. Eventually, anything that wandered in will wander back
Itong
out.
music box, itong music box guys, is kailangan natin naka-wind up lang siya, like naka-ganyan.
You may
Kasi
have
si
noticed
Puppet
there
yan,
are
yung
no
anak
doors
ni,
for you to close.
I don't know if
But hey,
anak
you
siya
have
ni
a life,
Henry or
and even
William.
though your
Alam ko anak
flashlight
ni
don't
Henry,
have
yeah, anak
power,
ni Henry
the
yan,
building
alam ko
can
na.
hop.
Anak
So
siya ni
don't worry
Henry,
about the place going
na
dark.
naiwan sa
Well, I think that's
pizzeria
it.
sa,
You should be golden.
yeah, pizzeria sa
Check the
FNAF,
lines,
dito
throw the
here,
Freddy head
I
if
mean
you need
here
to.
sa
Keep
pizzeria,
the music box wound
sa
up,
loob nito.
piece of cake. Have a
Then
good
alam ko
night.
namatay siya sa
I'll
may
talk to you tomorrow.
ulan, I don't know if tama. Kasi yun yung kwento nun eh. Like sa game, dito na alam ko, siguro, di ko alam kung makikita natin dito. Pero for sure, okay, wala na si Bunny. Okay, Bunny. Ayun, kailangan lang natin i-wind up yung music box. Kasi doon nalabas si Marionette. Marionette, si Charlotte? I don't know. Alam ko si Charlotte, si Golden Freddy eh. Ewan ko, nakakalito kasi ipisip na yan. Nakakalito yung kwento niya guys, no? Well, kailangan ko taasan yung volume ng game ko. Then, pag hindi natin to na-wind up, like naubos siya, lalabas dyan dito si Puppet, like here. Dito siya lalabas. Then, yeah. No choice kundi patay. Okay. Si Bunny, still there. Oh, man, kailangan mabilis yung kamay dito. Hirap siya laro sa PC, pero sa phone, madali siya, guys. Okay. Diba? Kailangan safe lang yan. Kailangan safe. Kailangan naka-wind up lang yan. Or else, jump scared. Jump scare kay Puppet. Marionette. Well, I think... Ah! Yeah, basic tong first night. The next day... Second day, hindi na. Ibig sabihin na sa loob. Okay, si Bunny. Chica. Chica. Okay, naman sila. Okay, mask. Okay, si Bunny. Uy! Bago, gulat ako. Sorry. Find the visit box. Oh, gago, nakakagulat. Wait lang. Sorry. Meron na rin dito? Ha? Ang bilis lang, di ba? See? Basic in first night. And second night. Let's go. Night shift agad. Active. Employee of the month talaga ako dito. No. Oh guys, second night. Night 2 na tayo.
Hello?
No.
See, I told you your first night wouldn't be a problem. You're a natural. By now I'm sure you've noticed the
Yeah, si William, I think si
older
William pa rin.
sitting
Si
in the
William pa rin
back
naman.
room.
Ay, Vic.
Those are from the
Chica,
previous
Bunny,
location.
wala si
We just
Foxy.
use them for parts now. The idea at first was
Ito si
to
Mangle.
scale.
Like yung may static na
They
sound.
even started retrofitting them with some of the newer technology, but they were just so ugly, you know, and the smell. So the company decided to just go in a whole new direction and make them super kid friendly. Those older ones shouldn't be able to walk around, but if they do,
Hoy, si Chica na wala
the
agad.
whole Freddy head trick should work on them too. So whatever.
Chica.
I love those old characters.
Ah, si Bunny
did you
pala
ever see
nandun.
Foxy the Pirate? Oh wait, Foxy.
Okay, di natin ito
Oh yeah,
pabayaan to.
Foxy. Hey listen, that one was always a bit twitchy. I'm not sure if
Natin
the
pa,
Freddy
pwede pabayaan
head
to.
trick will work on Foxy.
Chica, andito pa, andito
If
pa.
for some reason he activates during the night,
Buddy.
see him standing at the
Chica,
far end of
buddy,
the
ito.
hall,
Yung Chica
just
dito, kakatakot
flash
eh.
the light at him from time to time. Those older
Ay.
models would always get disoriented.
Naubos
with
yung flashlight
bright light.
natin.
You would call the system restart.
Ito,
or
yung
something.
yung Chica, ang laki oh.
Kaya
Kakalunukin ng buo. Like,
Like,
withered Chica siya. Siya si Withered Chica.
It might hold him in place for a few seconds. That glitch might carry it over to the newer
Okay,
models,
night
too.
2. Let's go, night 2.
One more thing. Don't forget the music box. I'll be honest, I never liked that puppet thing. It's always thinking.
Okay, kailangan mabilis yung kamay.
I don't think the Freddy mask will fool it. So just don't forget the music box.
Okay, kailangan mabilis yung kamay, bro.
Anyway, I'm sure it won't be a problem.
Ah!
Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Nasa camphor na si Bunny. Camphor na si Bunny. Okay, night 2 guys. Basic lang siguro. Again, I think. What? Balloon boy? Kalaban! Nakagalaw na rin siya? Uy, chika. Chika-chi. Chika-chu.
Hello?
Huh? Saan ka? May tao na sa vent? Chika.
Hello?
Si... Uy, si Paxi! Withered Paxi! Withered Paxi. Okay, mask. Chika. Okay, wala na. Ay, si Bunny. Ay, si Bunny. Balloon Boy. Balloon Boy. Umalis na? Okay, umalis na siya. Okay, gumagalaw na agad sila lahat. Yeah, gumagalaw na sila lahat, guys. Night 2 pa lang to. Okay. Wala tayong flashlight. May tao na dito sa vent, sa right corner ko. Uy! Tanga mo! Muntik na, muntik na, muntik na. Okay. It's 4 a.m. 4 a.m. 4 a.m. Okay. Chika. Alis, alis, please. Okay, wala na.
Hello?
Okay, si Balloon Boy. Sa bench siya. Paxi, Layas. Okay,
Hi.
Balloon Boy. Nasaan siya?
Hi.
Hi. Wala nang flash, guys. 5 a.m. Wala nang flashlight. Ba't pala di ko sinasayang? Ano pa kukunin mo sa battery ko? Bro, lobat na ako. Okay, Foxy. Go away. Okay, wala. Oh, wala nang flashlight, guys. Ubus na. 5 a.m. Please, 6 a.m. Please. Let's go, bro. I got this. I got this. Roar! Let's go. Let's go, bro. Basic. Huh? What? Si Bunny ba yan? The chika! Si Bunny! Uy! Animatronics tayo? Animatronics na tayo? It's me. It's me, who? It's you, who? It's you, who? Who are you? It's you, who? It's me. It's you, who?
Hello? See, I told you wouldn't have any problems. Did, Foxy ever repair the hallway? Probably not. I was
Well, I
just
think
curious.
sila gagalaw na.
Like I
Yeah,
said,
third night na eh.
he was
Night
always my
3.
favorite.
Yeah, I
They
think
tried to
gagalaw na
remake
sila, guys.
Foxy, you know?
Like, di ako
They
mapagsalita.
thought
Like,
the first
nakalock
one
in
was
ako,
too
bro.
scary, so they redesigned
Di ako makadaldal,
it
di ako
to be more
makapagyap.
kid-friendly instead of in kids' code, to keep the toddlers entertained, you know?
Meron agad.
Kids
Ay, si
these
Foxy.
days just can't keep their hands
What the
to
freak up,
themselves.
Foxy?
The staff literally had to put Foxy
Yun ang
back
palaban
together
natin sa kanya, guys.
every
Like,
shift.
pa-flash natin siya na tatlong
Eventually,
beses
they
or
just stopped trying and
ilang
left it
beses.
some kind of take apart, put back
Okay,
together
wala na siya, I
attraction.
think.
Now it's just a mess of parts. I think the employees refer to him as just
Okay, wala na siya. See? Ganyan ang pantalo sa kanya kay
Okay,
Foxy.
before I go, I wanted to ease your mind about
Yun lang
any
pantalo sa kanya, guys,
horror
diba?
you might have
Flash lang
heard
lagi.
lately. You know how
Kasi isa lang yung
these
mata niya eh.
stories come and go and seldom
So, pag
mean
pinlash natin,
anything.
isang
I can
mata niya, isa na lang mata niya,
personally
pwede siya
assure you that
makakatingin.
whatever is going on out there,
Lumabas yung
however
ko.
tragic
Ang
it
bira.
may be, has nothing to do with our establishment. It's just all rumor and speculation, people trying to make a buck.
Okay, mukhang may tao.
Our guard during the day has reported nothing unusual, and he's on watch from opening till close.
Okay, Foxy.
Okay, well anyway, hang in there and I'll talk
1
to you
AM pa lang
tomorrow.
may Foxy na agad? Like, bro, come on. Paka-challenging naman ni Scott. Okay, wala. Please, ayoko maubos flashlight ko. So, hindi natin kailangan i-flash yun. Like, ano, hindi natin kailangan i-flashline. Wind up music box lang. 1 AM pa lang. Yeah, makakasurvive ako, guys, I think. I don't know. Okay, Foxy, flash ng ilang beses, then check yung wind up music box. Then wala na siya, see? Hindi na mapag-flash kasi umalis na siya dyan. Tignan nyo. Yun. Ay, si Chika na yung pumalit. I think sa night 3, dito sa night 3 aandar, mabubuhay yung mga withered. Like, kailangan din natin mag-mask sa kanila. Yeah, si Chika nasa right vent na siguro. I don't know if nasa right vent na siya. I mean left. Dito siya, oh. Okay, may tao. I mean, may animatronics sa harap ko. Sa hallway. Kaya di mapag-flash. I mean, no, wala. Ito naman. Yan, may tao na sa vent. May tao na sa vent. Okay, Foxy. Flash ng ilang beses. Then, pasok. May up music box. Eh, wala na siya. Kasi di na tayo mapag-flash. Lumayas na siya dyan sa pwesto niya. Sa hallway. Oh, see? Two AM. No. Okay. Uy! Oh! Withered! What the heck? Nag-appear agad! Nag-appear agad yung withered! What the heck, bro? Nag-appear agad yung withered. Nag-appear yung withered, guys. Withered Chika. Ang daming task na gagawin ng putik. I-wind up ang music box. Then, iserba ng... What? Foxy. Layo, umalis si Balloon Boy. Oh! Guys, hindi ko magagamit yung flash. Kinuha na nitong Batang to. Kakainis so. Ba't bigla na lang nag-appear yung mga wizard sa harap ko? See? Ito na yan. See? Si Withered, Bunny. Okay, night 3 naman na. Ilang nights na lang? 3, I guess. Natapos ko na to agad, guys. I hope so. I hope so. Hope so. Okay, may tao sa vent. Sa harap, wala. Okay, di tayo pwede makagamit ng flash. Okay, nawala na si Bunny. I mean si Foxy. So, wait, na-flash ko na siya. Okay, si Balloon Boy. Matawa, tiyatawanan ako. Well, I guess, yung mga withered siguro tong sa Night 3. Sa Night 3, mga withered yung kalaban ko. Kita ko sa bin. Okay, wala. Okay, 2 AM. Uy, men. Okay, si Foxy ulit. I think si Foxy yung nasa harap ko. Yeah, flash ng ilang beses. Asa siya? Uy, pambira kayong dalawa. Layas kayo dyan. Okay, wala na si Foxy, I think. Kasi si Withered Bunny. Yeah. Nasa vent na ulit sila. Hindi ko hayang makapasok dito sa office ko si Balloon Boy. Okay, si Foxy. Flash ilang beses. Open up music box. 3 AM. Well, I think may mag-appear pa ba dito? Like 3 AM. Let's go, 3 AM. Let's go, 3 AM. Let's go for... Oh, man! Okay, wala jumpscare. Akala ko wala na, akala ko tapos na, pambihira naman, oo. Pambihira talaga po eh. Let's go, papatuloy ako. Sige, patuloy na tayo. Padayon! Let's go. Patuloy lang. Ang bagal ng kamay ko, pambihira. Hirap pag sa PC laruin. Like basic siya pag sa phone, guys. Nakapaka-basic talaga pag sa phone. Pero dito po takte. Mouse yung gamit ko, ang hirap. Like ang bagal ng kamay ko. Kaya walang tutok sa balo eh. Uy, ba't okay, may tao na, may animatronic sa harap ko. I think si Foxy yan, guys, pustahan. Oh man, dalaw sila. Yeah, mga withered sila. Sila yung gumagalaw sa Night 3. Yeah, sila yung gumagalaw sa night 3. 12 AM pa rin. Tagal naman ang oras. Balloon Boy and also si Balloon Boy. Sila yung mga kalaban natin. Withered and Balloon Boy. Pero napanood ko yung Withered sa movie. FNAF movie 2. Ang angas sa mga Withered. Doon ako naangasan. Yung Withered Chica, Withered Freddy, yung Withered Bunny. Like bro, ang angas, sobra, the heck. At totoo lang. May tao sa vent? Meron? Wala naman. Okay. Guys, di mo mapagsalita. Uy! Ah, man! Ang bagal ng kamay ko talaga, pambihira. Wala na. Oh, wala. Okay. Okay, alis. Okay, Withered Bunny again. Okay, 2 AM. I think di ko pwede i-flash once nasa harap ko na si... Once nasa harap ko na si Withered Bunny. I don't think if... Ganun. Like, bawal ko siya i-flash. Napa-flash ko ata siya eh. Like, ayaw niya ata ng ganun eh. Sino yung tao sa vent? May tao sa harap ko. May animatronic sa harap ko. Man! Please don't! Please, please, please. Please, Bunny. Okay, all goods. Okay, 3 AM. No, Chica, no. Chika-chi. Chika-chu. Okay. Guys, kinakabahan ako sobra. As in, literal. Okay, nawala na siya. Mag-appear siya dito. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Ah, hindi siya nag-appear. Okay, may animatronic sa harap ko. Alis, 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 alis. 4 AM, 4 AM, 4 AM guys. 4 AM, let's go 4 AM. 5 AM, give me 5 AM. Give me 5 AM. Give me 5 AM. Give me 5 AM, bro. Okay. Please, 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 please. Okay. All goods, all goods, all goods. Give me 5 AM. Give me 5 AM. Give me 5 AM. Okay, Foxy sa harap ko. Ay, tanga. No, 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 no. No, you don't. Okay, wala. Okay, 5 AM, 5 AM guys. Let's go, 5 a.m. Let's go, 6 a.m. 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Please, 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 please. Please, please. Go. Let's go, 6 a.m. Let's go, 6 a.m. Okay, Foxy, sa harap ko. Okay, no. Withered Bunny. Okay, mag-appear na siya, I think, sa harap ko. Alis. Yung malis na siya. Okay, si... Alis. Okay, umalis na siya. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Ang bira tong game na to. What? Uy, okay, Freddy. Yan, Bunny, nakaharap na sila sa atin. Ano animatronics tayo? Foxy? Hindi, mukhang bear yung ilong ko. Like, look. Like, ito yung edge dito. Pa-curve. Oh, si Golden Freddy ba to? O si Fred? It's me. It's you. Who you? Okay, night 4. Okay, night 4. I don't know sino kalaban dito. Let's go. Hello? Manggel ulit.
Oh, hello. Hey there, Night 4. I told you you'd get the hang of it. Okay, so, just to update you, there's been somewhat of an investigation going on. We may end up having to close for a few days. I don't know. I want to emphasize, though, that it's really just a precaution.
Kailangan di mapal si Manggel.
Any wrongdoing. These things happen sometimes.
Like, pag may static tayong naririnig, mamaya, I'll show you. Si Manggel yun eh. Bago siya makapasok sa office.
But try to avoid eye contact with any of the animatronics side if you can. Someone may have tampered with their facial recognition systems. We're not sure. But the characters have been acting very unusual, almost aggressive towards the staff. They interact
si Manggel kalaban natin ito.
But when they encounter an adult, they just stare.
Okay, may tao na harap. May animatronics agad sa harap. Huh? Wala man. Okay, Foxy. Go away. Shoo. No swiping. Foxy, no swiping. Foxy, no swiping. Tao sa vent? May halimaw sa vent. What? 1 AM pa lang, ubos na agad yung flash ko.
Hello?
Withered agad. Kala ko sila Manggel lang kalaban natin. Okay, Foxy. Layas. Okay, mas. Hanggang sa mawala yung static, ayan na. Okay, wala si Manggel, I think. Yeah, nawala si Manggel. Okay, pag may static tayo narinig, si Manggel yun, guys. Si Manggel yun. Kailangan lock in. Okay, Foxy, flash ng ilang beses. Okay, wala na si Foxy. Withered? Hindi nag-appear yung Withered. Withered ba ni sarap ko? Okay. Static, wala. Wala pa si Mangle. Oh! Nah, bro. Nah, hell nah. Wala na. We're doomed. We're cooked. Ginawa na yung flash natin. And yeah, jumpscare na sayo ni Foxy dyan. Hindi na naman talaga. Oo. Ayayin ko talaga. Uy! Wala na. See? Ang bira naman, bro. The heck, bro? Okay. Layas ka dyan. Lumayas ka dyan, bro. Hindi ka nakakatuwa. Foxy, layas. Okay, 1 AM na. Full charge pa. Lahat sila kalaban ko na. Kasamaan, laban sa kadiliman. Okay, kalmado lang. Dapat kalma. Yo. Okay, mate. Si Foxy, I think. Nasarap ko. 1, 2, 3. Flashing lights. Okay, static sound. Si Mangle. Oh, nawala na. All goods. Ang bira. Withered Bunny. Nasarap ko. Hindi, Mangle. Please. Please don't. Foxy. Visit na box to. Music box. Come on, 3 AM, 3 AM. Let's go, 3 AM. Let's go. Go, please. Tagal mo 4 AM ah. Foxy, flash na ilang beses.
Hello?
Uy, Balloon Boy? Wala. Ano yun? May tao sa vent. Okay. Uy, kalma. Okay. Please, don't chika. Please, wag chika. Flash ilang beses. All good, 4 AM. Okay, yung music box. Hindi ko pwede pabayaan, guys. Actually, lakas ng sound ng kapitbahay. Pambihira naman, oo. Man. Ang lakas ng boses ng kapitbahay. Kakainis, wait lang. Ang bihira, ang lakas ng boses nung sa nung kapitbahay namin, nagkakaraoke sila. Five AM. Si Freddy, taragis na yan. Mas malakas pa yung radyo ng kapitbahay namin kaysa game ko. May natutulog po. May nag-livestream dito. Okay, 5 AM. Let's go, bro! Let's go! Ang bihira. Pinapahirapan nila ako. Rinig nyo ba yung kapitbahay? Nagbabibrate yung buong bahay, oh. Uy, si Puppet! The heck? Si Puppet sumusunod sa akin, oh. What? Sakti yung lakas ng sound nila. Nako, patay tayo dyan. Di rinig yung game ko. Yari. Uy, wait lang! Kalma! Ay, Withered Bunny. Sarap ko. Uy! Dayas, please! Uy! Dayas! Uy! Oh, man! Si Puppet! Oh, man! Wala na, si Puppet, jumpscare. Jumpscare by Puppet, guys. Ganyan mangyayari pag hindi natin pag hindi ko minand up yung music box niya. At pag pinabayaan ko lang siya. Well, ang nagpapakalma kasi sa kanya is music box. Namen. Kakainis. Kakainis. Uy! Wala na! Wala na si Freddy. Uy! And so yeah, I think nandito na lang siguro itong Five Nights at Freddy 5. Five Nights at Freddy 2 hanggang Night 5 lang. Like, sobrang hirap, guys. As in, sobrang hirap niya laruin in computer. At madali siya pag sa CP. Madali siya sa CP, like, for real, bro. I'm telling the truth. Like, mas madali siya sa CP kaya sa PC. Kasi ang hirap ito lang yung, papaganahin mo yung mouse, and also, yun lang, control lang yung flash ko yung control, sa keyboard, like, sobrang hirap niya, mas madali kung sa cellphone, like, ganyan lang yun, napakadali, like, gamay mo eh, dito kasi sa mouse, kailangan mo pa ganon, like, naka 360 yung, parang head mo dun, yung POV mo dun sa office, like, dito, ang dali, sobrang hirap pa sa PC. Well, yeah, I think hanggang dito na lang itong 5 Nights at Freddy 2. So, yeah, proceed ako sa game. Proceed ako sa ibang game. Hindi ko na kaya tapusin yung Night 5, I guess. Like, in literal na 5 Nights at Freddy's. Kasi, yeah, hindi ko rin malalaro yung custom night nito kasi hindi ko siya matapos-tapos itong Night 5. Well, next time siguro tapusin ko na lang. Like, laring ko na siya next time. Like, bro, ang hirap niya pag sa PC. Well, sa phone, sobrang dali. Like, as in. Sa PC kasi, isa lang yung gamit ko. Control lang yung lights doon sa hallway. And also, yun yung sa mouse. Like, ang hirap niya iliko. Like, ang bagal ng cursor. Like, kung pwede lang dagdagan o pabilisan yung yung cursor ng mouse eh. Like, yung sensitivity. Well, pati yung pag-open ng cam, like, kailangan pumunta dito, ganun ko yung parang ibaba ko, like, i-point ko yung cursor ko dun sa may cam. Then, after nun, para makapag-mask, kailangan ko rin i-point yung cursor ko dun sa mask. So, sobrang hirap niya, no, di ba? Like, pipindutin mo yung button sa gilid, like, di mo pwede ma-flash. Gilid, kailangan mo talaga pindutin. Ang tanging pipindutin mo lang is yung flash sa hallway, like, yung control. Yun lang talaga, like, tas mouse na yung the rest. Like, ang hirap, bro, sobrang hirap, like, hirap makagalaw. Well, I think skill issue. 'Di ba? Parang ganun. So yun nga, maraming salamat sa panonood and yeah, kita tayo sa next video. I hope na appreciate yung game na to, yung video na to na nagawa ko for today. And thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa support niyo. Kita tayo sa next video. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.